These are treasures left behind, a snapshot that takes us back in time, a moment we enjoyed, a moment we shared, a constant reminder of how much you care. Hi everyone, today I have a really quick and easy DIY. This is such a nice gift option or just something that you can have as a centerpiece in your home. We're going to be using these photo frames. I'm using the 4x6 inch. It's up to you what size you want. These are from Poundland, by the way. You get them 2 in a pack for just £1, so this is just really going to cost you just over £2 to make. And then you're going to want some tracing paper. The next thing that you're going to want to do is print out some images directly onto the tracing paper. So all I did was pop this into my printer and then just print out onto it. When you're doing this, make sure that you get 4 different photos. I accidentally printed the same one twice, but it doesn't matter because this is just an example to show you how to make the DIY. You want to make sure, of course, that you have measured it according to the frame size that you're going to use. You might have to trim it down a little bit because I have measured it to the 4x6 inch exact, but of course we're going to be placing the photos inside and that measures smaller than the actual frame. I'm just going to show you the way that I'm going to measure my photos to make sure that it's exact. You just open your frame up and then you're going to have this little piece of paper. So then you can take it and you can just put it down onto your photo, decide where you want to trim off. So any excess. So I'm going to have mine round about here and then I'm just going to outline it so that I have the exact measurement and then I'm going to cut that out. So you can see I've just outlined the paper on every single photo there. So now it's ready to cut out. Now you have your 4 photos cut out, it's all to size. Go ahead and take all 4 frames. So I've got my frames here and then I remove my backing. So just turn this over, open these up and then remove this backing, so on all 4 frames. Then the next thing you're going to do is take your glass out, then you're going to take your photos, turn them around, place them inside and then take the glass, place that back there. So you've got your photo at the front and the glass behind it. And then we're going to just close these up so everything is nice and secure. Right, so you're going to do this for all other 3 frames. So you're not going to be needing these backs anymore and you can save them for another DIY. So once you've completed that, the next step is to put your hot glue gun on. You can use your E6000 if you like, and all we're going to do is stick these together. So I'm going to put some hot glue all down this side here and then just stick these 2 together like this and then do that for the other 2, so we're creating a cube. Just to finish up, I'm taking an LED candle. I think for this, if you can find one that doesn't flicker like this, it's even better. So I'm just going to place that inside and we're pretty much done. Here's the finished project. What do you guys think? Really quick, easy and simple, right? But this kind of thing is actually pretty expensive when you get it done professionally in the photography stores or the personalized gift stores. But now you can make this yourself just using Dollar Tree or Poundland products. Check it out with the lights off, it looks amazing. I think this is a beautiful centerpiece to have in your home or to make and gift someone. If you have enjoyed this DIY, please do let me know by leaving me a thumbs up and a comment down below. And if you like what you see, make sure you click that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, take care of yourselves and I will catch you in the next video. Bye!